Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Red Ball 4. So let's get started. First, open the Red Ball 4 game. Tap on the settings option from the bottom of your screen. Here you can see the language option. Simply tap on it. Each time you tap, the language will change. Continue tapping until you find your desired language. And this is how you can change language on Red Ball 4. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.